Welcome to eLearnist. After setting up the master data, we will see how the teacher will create a virtual classroom. These are actual events in which teacher and student can log in and participate in virtual classroom. Students are auto-assigned to virtual classroom as per onboarding step. Teacher can also assign student manually to virtual classroom on ad hoc basis. Once the virtual classroom is created, a link will be published to teacher and student dashboard, and then we kick off the classroom session. Student can do a self-registration request. Once that request has done, it will reach to the admin for a QA process for the enrollment. After setting up the student, we will check. A student can check the upcoming classroom from his dashboard and then join the classroom. Student can also play back the past classes. Let's check the demo. Today we'll see a teacher dashboard and student dashboard along with the virtual class and the features of the virtual class. I have logged in with a demo teacher. So demo teacher dashboard will looks like this. So ongoing class, upcoming classes, and there's a past class. I'll show it here. Similar to the teacher's dashboard, we can see student dashboard, same thing, ongoing class, upcoming class, past classes. Teacher dashboard also has an option to create virtual class. So in the last video we have seen creating an coaching session. So once the coaching session is done, teacher has to log in, select the class, subject, tuition type, coaching session, and it'll show all the enrolled student for that coaching class, and then create a virtual class. Once it hits the create virtual class, the class will be created here. Also, there is an option for enrolling new students. So for an example, there is an ongoing virtual class, a session. A new student came and wants to join that class. In that case, teacher can add that student to that. It is already enrolled, otherwise it will show they will get a checkbox to select that student and enroll to an existing coaching class. So this is the teacher dashboard. From here, teacher will start the class. So you see in progress. So initially the status will be new. Once the day starts or the start time before 15 minutes of the start time, the status will change to active. Once the class starts, the status will change to in progress. From here, teacher will start the class. We'll get a prompt to redirect to a virtual class. Click OK, leave page. You can see here a teacher and student can select microphone or listen only. So listen only means there will be no microphone required. The attendees can only listen to the class. Let's say microphone, allow. Here you can
Here
do
you
a test.
can test.
Same thing for student. Student has to join the class. Same status, new, active, in progress. Once student click this button to initiate the class, We will also mark the attendance for that student. Okay, leave. Same thing. I'll just say listen only.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so we have joined the virtual class. I'll just put side by side. So here you can see this demo teacher and demo student has joined the class, virtual class. This is the whiteboard which teacher will be using. They can write or type. So here only teacher has the control to write on the whiteboard, but if teacher wants, they can give access to the whiteboard. So give access to the whiteboard. You can see now the tools, similar tools are showing here, and student can also write. You can see the name who is writing. Okay, and we can remove the access. Okay, you don't see those things. Let's go back here. So this is just a dummy presentation which has been uploaded. It's a whiteboard. You can write anything. From here, you can also manage the presentation. You can upload the file to use as a whiteboard and display that file to all the students. This file will be uploaded to our server. We'll keep that file till that session. Once the session close, we will delete those files from our server. So we also have you can share an external video, so YouTube video or Vimeo, any external video with MP4 extension you can play. So you can just have to give the URL and share a new video. Click on the share new video, and all the students can see that video on their screen. We have a poll, so we can create a poll with a question, say true and false, ABCD, yes, no. It's up to teacher how they want. So I'll say true and false and start. So once we start, everybody will get a pop-up. You can see student can see polling question true or false. They can say true. Now we go back, and here we can see demo student response as true. You can publish the poll and it'll show here, as well as the public chat. So this public chat one to all. So like everyone can see the chat. All the students can see the chat here, and there is one-to-one chat. So you can start a private chat with teacher or student. Okay. Apart from that, we have a video webcam. They can share the webcam, as well as they can share the screen. So we'll get an option to share the screen. Raise hand. You can raise an hand. So you can see who has raised the hand. The icon will change. and from here we can clear all status icons, so we can clear those, and if some students have changed their status, it will reset. We also have an option to record the session. We'll store this in our server, and this can be used to for the student to, like, they can view this session later. Now we have few other options, like we can mute all users, we can unmute all users. We have option muting all user except presenter, so we can have, like, we can give presenter access to any student. We can promote as a moderator, or we can remove that user as well. So we can log the viewers, so nobody else, no student can join the class after that. We have a guest policy. If somebody wants to join the class without logging, it's up to teacher and the administrator. Save username is just like we can take as an attendance. So once we save, it will save all the attendees information. Clear all status icon we have seen, so if somebody has raised the hand or any other status, it will be cleared. Create breakout rooms. We can create up to 16 breakout rooms, and we can drag and drop the students to any of the room, and we can assign a duration. So teacher is the moderator for that class, so teacher can join any of the breakout room and close that breakout room anytime. Okay, there is a learning dashboard. So here you can see how active a student is, messages, emojis, webcam time, talk time, raise hand, activity scores. It will show all these things. And yeah. Also uh, uh, we have an option to share the notes. So if we have some like assignments, we can share it here, and then later we can export or import to all these file extensions. And here we have option to leave meeting and end meeting. This only option comes for moderator or the teacher. If you go to student, we only see leave meeting. Okay, leave meeting is something, uh, the session will be end for that particular user or student. End meeting is the closing the session. So if I end, we'll see one active user, so that session will be end for that, for everyone. So once I end, the class will be closed. See here, you can see the session was ended by demo teacher. So click OK. We'll come back to the dashboard. Okay. Okay, that's all. This is the teacher and the student virtual class. Thanks for watching.